Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this pen stand out of some waste materials. For this we need a plastic bottle, white glue, quilling tool, glue gun, 5 mm quilling strips, some acrylic paint, paper knife, bamboo stick, old newspaper, tweezer, ball beads, some paint brushes. So let's get started. I'm going to use some old newspaper and use a bamboo skewer and make a roll like this, applying some white glue and continuing the rolling. Similarly, I have created some more paper rolls. Now take a plastic bottle and cut it according to your pen stand. I am just taking a random measurement and cut it with my paper knife. First, I am applying some hot glue on the bottle and then stick the paper roll on it and repeat this process. Now cut the excess paper roll and continuing the process. After covered the whole bottle with the paper roll, I am going to use black acrylic paint to paint it. For making the rose, I am going to use a 3 mm quilling strip and fold its corner like this. Then put the folded corner into the quilling needle. Then again fold the quilling strip according to my video. And roll it. Repeat this process until you make a proper rose. Put some white glue at the end and stick it. Now our quilling rose is ready. Similarly, I have created some more roses. Now let's make the leaves. For this, I am going to stick 5 mm quilling strip on a green paper and then draw some leaf shape on it and cut it with scissor. I am going to use this quilling tool to give an effect on my leaves. Now this is the fun part. Let's decor our pen stand with some roses and leaves. I'm also use some pearl bead, and I think these beads will help to make this pen stand more beautiful. project is done for today. Hope you liked it. And I think this is a perfect gift for any occasion. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you want to see more videos, then make sure you subscribe my channel, and you can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. I will see you guys next time. Until, have a really wonderful day, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.